To begin studying the urinary system, you're going to have to move organs of the digestive system off to the side. Okay, so if I move the intestines, right, over to the right, you can see the kidney, right? So just above the kidney, there's the pancreas. And this structure right here is not part of any system that we've been studying currently, but this right here is the spleen. So we're just going to move that off to the side as well, right? But here is the kidney, right? And the kidney is what we call a retroperitoneal organ. In other words, it's behind a membrane called the peritoneum, retro meaning behind. So in order to see the kidney, right, we're going to actually have to loosen the tissues, right, the connective tissue that surrounds the kidney, right? So I'm just taking my seeker probe and I'm just carefully moving connective tissue so that I can isolate and separate the kidney. Right? So I'm just basically following the outline of the kidney, and then I'm just carefully removing connective tissue, right? And you don't want to yank too hard, right? Because you're going to have a structure that comes right off of the kidney that's really delicate, and that's the ureter, and that's this tube right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, right? It's underneath this blood vessel. But you don't want to just yank connective tissue because you might damage this right here. This is the ureter that comes off the kidney. Okay, so I'm just continuing isolating and separating the kidney. The kidney will be covered, right, by a membrane, right, called the renal capsule. So you may or may not need to remove that depending on how we can isolate this kidney. Okay, so right now, still separating, right? And I'm almost loosened the kidney up in its entirety, right? Okay, so here's the kidney, right? So you can see the kidney, right? And then coming off of the kidney or exiting the kidney at the hilum is this right here called the ureter. So again, I'm going to take some time and loosen the connective tissue surrounding the ureter so I can see the ureter, right? I may have to use two hands, one using the forceps and the other one using the seeker probe. But I'm just carefully pulling away the connective tissue, okay, until I clearly see the ureter. Okay, so there's the ureter. And let's see if we can identify any blood vessels, right, entering and exit the kidney. So this blue blood vessel that you see here, right, hopefully you can see that. This blue blood vessel that you can see here entering the kidney or exiting the kidney, right, that is the renal vein. And then you can see right next to the renal vein, you have a red one, a red blood vessel right here. This is called the renal artery. So you have the renal vein, which is blue, and then you have the renal artery, which is red, all right? And then from the kidney, right, from the kidney, urine is produced in the kidney, and then urine is transported to the ureter, and then from the ureter to the urinary bladder, and then from the urinary bladder to the urethra, right? And those will be the structures, the external structures of the urinary system that you'll be responsible for in identifying for this dissection.